Hi, I'm Carrie Wilvinks here in Zion National Park with one of the Red Mountain Resort guides. We just did an incredible hike called Angel's Landing. This was definitely an adrenaline rush. How do you describe the hike to people who want to try it?
It's one of the more popular hikes here. Everybody comes to Angel's Landing just because they love it. It's really commercial. It's really fun to actually be able to see the view.
Absolutely.
When you come up here. Observation points behind us. It's just one of the great central locations.
For me, this is definitely something, you see a lot of people out here doing this on their own, but it is a more technical climb. At some points, you're between two sheer faces and you're pulling yourself along. For me, I felt comfort having a guide be able to follow and who's done this several times. Why else should people come with a guide?
So you don't have to worry about where you want to go. You can ask the guide where would be a good spot, tell them what you're looking for, and then we'll customize an experience for you.
What other offerings does Red Mountain Resort have for guided excursions?
Guided excursions, there's kayaking, there's horseback riding. Those are contracted out separately. But basically we'll sit you down with the concierge, or you can do meet the guide, usually on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12, and then talk with the guides then and figure out exactly what would be good for you.
It's definitely an incredible experience for your stay at Red Mountain Resort to do this hike. I would suggest, along with some of the other options that you mentioned, but this was about a 2.5 mile hike to the top, and once you get to a half mile left, it is absolutely something you will never forget. An epic hike, definitely.
Totally.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.